Let's say, for instance, if you have a series of number like this and you want to put a currency in front of this number, what you do is that you select all the numbers like this and you go home number. There's a dollar sign here. Click on this dollar sign and you can see that it introduces a dollar sign in front of the numeric value. But what's annoying about this is that on anything that was 0 previously is showing as a dash here. How to get around it? Well, there's two ways to do it. The first way is to highlight all your dollar value again one more time, and then after that press Ctrl 1 to open the cell formatting window here. Make sure you're on the number tab, and instead of accounting you're gonna select currency and then you click OK. But one thing bad about that is that you can see that your currency sign or your dollar here for this instance is actually stuck to the numeric value. It's not flush to the left like what we had previously. Let me undo this here and I'll show you what I mean. Ctrl Z to undo. You see how this is flushed nicely. How do you get around it? Well, there's another way to do it. First, you highlight all the dollar value again one more time. Press Ctrl 1 to open format cell like this again. And instead of currency or accounting, you'll be selecting custom like this. And what you have to edit here would be this one here, where there's double quote dash double quote question question. You're going to replace that characters with 0.00. If you'd like to understand what each of these funny characters means, I'll leave in my description what it means. Please do look at it. Once you enter those details in there, click OK. And now you can see that everything has a dollar sign that's flushed to the left. And now instead of dash, it's showing actual 0 itself.